ask questions. Make sure you guys are on red team.
This is a social experiment.
We are coming in hot and ready as fuck. Hey, I got 4 jackasses and a Dodge Dart.
I might need you to lean this back up. I can't get out. Hold on.
Yes, you fucking can, bro.
Push it. I think we're good.
Alright, guys, go.
You look retarded.
Hey, this is a public. No, we don't. Liar. Just don't laugh. Just do not laugh.
Straight face.
Straight faced. I told you what we were getting.
Yes, you did.
Let's go. Jump on it! Jump on it! Jump on it!
Way back. Hi!
Was that shit not fun or what, guys? You just, come on, that was an elite drive.